Hello friends, so let's solve a very nice exponent question. This is very easy question, so let's solve. So we have a given 5 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3 into 11 to the power 5 into 7 to the power 2 whole divided by 2 to the power 2 into 11 into 7 to the power 5 into 5 to the power minus 4. We have to solve this expression. Okay, so how do we start? So we'll start by 5 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3 into 7 to the power 2 into 11 to the power 5 whole divided by 2 to the power 2 into 11 into 7 to the power 5 into 5 to the power minus 4. Okay, now this is, so we'll write the a to the power m into a to the power n. Then I can write a to the power m plus n. Okay, so we'll apply this rule. 5 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3 plus 2 into 11 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 2 into 11 into 7 to the power 5 into 5 to the power minus 4. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll apply another exponent rule, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Then I can write a to the power m minus n. Okay, so we'll apply this rule. So 2 to the power minus 2 into 5 to the power 2 minus 4 into 7 to the power 5 minus 5 into 11 to the power 5 minus 1. Okay, this is 1. So 2 to the power minus 2 into 5 to the power minus plus, so 5 to the power 6 into 7 to the power 0 into 11 to the power 4. Okay, now 2 to the power minus 2 into 5 to the power 6 into 1 into 11 to the power 4. Okay, so 2 to the power minus 2 into 5 to the power 6 into 11 to the power 4, and this is our answer. I hope you like the video. Thank you. Please do share and subscribe. Bye bye.